welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export WhatsApp chats on Gmail. It's super easy and I will make sure you get it right. Make sure to watch complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's start our video. First of all, we have to click on our WhatsApp app. There is a WhatsApp app. We have to click on a WhatsApp chat that is present in front of me. I have to click on three dots that is present upside in the corner. Now there are so many options: label chat, view contact, media links, search, mute notification, disappearing messages, wallpapers and more. We have to click on more one. Now there are also many options. We have to click on export chat one like this. Now there are so many options: WhatsApp, Gmail, Drive, Bluetooth, Mail and Outlook. We have to click on Gmail one like this. Now if you want to send your respective recipient, write any name here. Like I'm going to write any name like this, and I'm going to send him like this. Now this chat is totally export to this particular person. So thanks for watching. Also please consider showing your support by liking, commenting and sharing and subscribing to our channel for more content. I wish you very good luck. Thank you.